Genetic diseases have always been a big challenge. They're rare, they're very variable in severity and presentation, and they're very difficult to diagnose. Ask any family with a child with a mysterious genetic condition, and they will tell you that they would go from a doctor to another to figure out what their child has, even if it doesn't have a treatment. They just want to understand what's going on with my child. We need to simplify the diagnostic process, and that requires the right infrastructure computationally and technologically.
The topic of my research is on developing AI solutions for the molecular diagnosis of genetic diseases. It happens that biomedicine and healthcare is one of those domains that needs one of the most urgent applications of AI technologies because there are so many unknowns, so many unsolved problems in biology and biomedicine.
We've been collaborating with KAUST to develop the next generation of tests for people who undergo the standard testing and yet remain negative. And we were able to translate this into a very efficient tool to interpret the RNA sequencing data that was performed by our colleagues at KAUST using pressure samples that we procured through King Faisal Specialist Hospital and Research Center. This mutual collaboration led to the development of a very efficient RNA sequencing tool that truly helped diagnose undiagnosed cases, and you can imagine what that meant to those families. But it goes beyond those families too, because as soon as you identify a variant, anybody in the world who carries this variant now knows how to interpret that variant. They don't have to reinvent the wheel again.
This research has direct impact and is perfectly aligned with the health and wellness of the kingdom, where the goal is to save life and save time for the patients because the patients are waiting for the solutions.